Well, what is a sequence? Well, a sequence is a timeline where you arrange and edit your video clips to create your final project. To create a new sequence, start by clicking on File at the top, then select New, then choose Sequence. We normally use HD 1080p 23 frames per second. Then you can type a sequence name here, in this case, Demo, and then click on OK. Next, locate all the videos you want to edit in your folder within the project panel. Then all you have to do is to select them. So in this case, we go to Footage, and we can choose the video that we want to edit. In this case, we choose B-roll 01, hold down the Shift key, and choose B-roll 06 to highlight them all. Then simply drag and drop these selected videos into Sequence Timeline. Premiere Pro will intelligently detect the settings of your first video clip and create a sequence to match automatically. When you drag all the videos to your empty timeline for the first time, you will be prompted to choose whether you change or keep the existing sequence settings. The best choice here is to click on Keep Existing Settings, because this ensures that your sequence matches the properties of your video clips, maintaining consistency and avoiding potential issues with mismatch settings. This is the quickest options and usually works well. It is very important because it ensures that your sequence settings match the settings of your video clips, which helps prevent compatibility issues and ensure a smooth playback and editing. For example, if your first video clip is shot in 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, Premiere Pro will create a sequence with the same resolution and frame rate. This ensures that all subsequent clips you add to the sequence will seamlessly integrate with the existing footage, maintaining consistency throughout your project. Once you're all set and have all your footage in the timeline, you can click the play button in the program monitor to preview your video directly from the timeline. So to do that, just click on this play button. Alternatively, you can simply press the spacebar on your keyboard to start and stop the playback. This allows you to quickly review your edits and ensure everything looks just right before proceeding further with your project.